Hello everyone, myself Srushti Chaudhary and welcome to my channel. I am a student of Department of English from Maharaja Krishna Kumar CG Bhavnagar University. We are celebrating Teachers Day virtually. So this Teachers Day, I select one topic from postmodern schools of literary criticism named Deconstruction by Jacques Derrida.
So let's begin. Here I mention all the postmodern schools of literary criticism, which are deconstruction, new historicism, post-colonial criticism, cultural studies, and gender studies. In the next slide, I would like to introduce Jacques Derrida, who is most closely associated with the development of deconstruction. He was born in 1930 and died in 2004. He was a French philosopher and founder of the school deconstruction. He challenged traditional concepts of language, meaning, and truth. He argued that meaning is always unstable and open to reinterpretation. Meaning is not fixed but differed through language was the central idea of Jacques Derrida. Moving forward, let's discuss about our main topic deconstruction, which was introduced in 1967. We all have same question that what is deconstruction? So deconstruction means to dismantle something. So, structuralist Fernand de Saussure and his followers believed that everything had a structure, but this theory deconstruction believed into dismantle the thing. If we want to understand this theory, we first need to know about structuralism. Fernand de Saussure and Claude Lévi-Strauss were well-known personalities in structuralism. Saussure and other structuralists believed that language is a system of signs. It means if we want to find meaning of any word, then we should know that how this word was different from another word. So Derrida introduced that deconstruction is a way of analyzing text that challenges traditional assumption about certainty, identity, and truth. It suggests that the meaning of a text is not fixed, it is open to various interpretations. The relation between words and their meaning is unstable. His book of grammatology introduced the majority of ideas influential within deconstruction in 1967. He introduced three main terms which are difference, binary opposition, and logocentrism. So let's first discuss about difference. Derrida informs that there is no fixed meaning of any words. If we define any word, then we find another word in that definition. So the chain was continuously keep going from one to another word. When we assumed that we understand the meaning, that time this chain was stopped. So he said that meaning of any word continuously postponed to other word. He introduced this term as difference. Ultimate meaning or final meaning was a myth. So when we assumed that we got the meaning that time, our searching chain was stopped. Further, we are going on another term, binary opposition. All the structuralists and Western philosophers, including Plato, were studied according this term, binary opposition. So, what is binary opposition? In simple language, it means opposition of something like white, black, man, woman, new, old, etc. So, Derrida believed that hierarchy came into existence through this term. Hierarchy means to show something better than something. Derrida said that if we want to remove hierarchy, then we should use the term deconstruction instead of destroying something. Further, Derrida told that deconstruction does not mean only to pass on any concept to other concept, but we should overturn this conceptual order. Let's jump on another term, logocentrism. Plato told that speech is better than writing. Writing was not effective means of communicating knowledge. It means if we want to try explain something to someone, So, face to face communication was the best medium to explanation. If you write something, then that person was not able to understand. In his book of grammatology, which is very important, he mentioned about this speech and writing in this book. So, the logocentric theory and phonocentric theory were came into existence from this term. Derrida introduced logocentric theory as a metaphysics of presence. Logocentric theory promotes the logo. He believed that both speech and writing were connected with each other. By using both writing and speech, language was invented. Writing itself had many different qualities. Further, I mentioned key ideas of deconstruction. Words don't have fixed meaning, meanings change depending on the text. We can always question how things are understood. Further, how it works. It works to break down a text to see different interpretation, look for contradiction or unclear meanings. You all think that what is the importance of deconstruction? So, Derrida's ideas were new in philosophy. He inspired the new generation through this term. This theory was very useful in so many subjects like architecture. The idea of deconstruction was derived from Martin Luther and Martin Heidegger's idea. They promoted the idea of destruction. It means if we want to understand philosophical concept, then we should understand that what is that one thing which is motivating the idea of philosophical concept, and to understand that concept we should dismantle that idea first. So using this idea, Derrida introduced the term deconstruction. It encourages our open-minded thinking. It was also used in literary theory, philosophy and cultural studies. Lastly, I mentioned conclusion. As before, I mentioned that deconstruction is a tool to question and explore meaning. Meaning is always shifting from word to another word. It is never fixed. Derrida challenges the way we traditionally understand language. Thank you everyone. This is from my side. Please don't forget to appear in quiz. After the quiz, you will get certificate of your active participation via email. The link is mentioned in description.